Hi guys! I received the new patches from Not Just a Patch, and I already love their old patches, which I always used for the Libre and MiaoMiao. But now they have these new ones. I got yellow ones, and they are made for well, the Omnipod as well as the Libre and this one. What's the name? I don't know anymore. Never used it. So let's try them. You can choose to keep this one in place or remove it. And I'm going to remove it so it will be sticky as well, because I have to remove my Omnipod after 3 days. I can just throw it away. So let's try. And again, I am very bad in applying patches to myself, but I'm just gonna try. I hope I don't ruin it. So there we go. I really hope I'm doing it right. Looks okay. So here it is, my new patch. I really like it. Also, of course, I'm matching with my t-shirt. So you can use them for the Omnipod, of course, for your Libre and your Medtronic. I forgot that one. Medtronic. I'm totally ready for summer. I really like to use them in summer when I'm sporting and swimming and sweating and everything. So it keeps it in place. Yeah, so really happy with it. They have all different kind of colors. I also have pink ones and purple ones. So you can just choose whatever you want to, and they come in a pack with 20 pieces, which is quite a lot. So yeah, just let me know what your favorite patches are, and if you have tried them already, let me know.